Are you curious about your future? Do you face a difficult decision where you could need some guidance? Or is there a problem you just don't know how to approach? Then this is the answer you've been praying for, because you can receive free astrological guidance based on your sign without paying $1. It's true. You can have your very own direct line to the universe and have God's divine stars guide and help you. It's the easiest way to get answers to all your most burning questions, and you can even use it to get daily insight whenever you need it. One of America's most experienced astrologers takes the time to give you the guidance you need, and she won't charge you anything for it. It's incredible, but the reason for it is quite simple. It's a new website for people in need for help, and we are looking for some early testers to see if everything works properly. And as our way to say thank you for your help, you receive your astrological guidance, a service which usually costs $100, entirely for free. Does that sound fair and honest to you? Then you shouldn't wait 1 second more and click on the link below. Don't forget, this offer is strictly limited until we've properly tested the site, and the truth is that so many people have visited us lately that we'll soon end this test and start charging for the service. So don't miss this opportunity. It could change your life. Click on the link below now and discover what the stars have in store for you.